Do you want to know the secrets to becoming a millionaire by 25? Imagine waking up every day without financial stress, free to pursue your dreams. Sounds impossible? It's not! Stick with me, and I'll break down exactly how to do it. Let's be real. Most of us aren't born into wealth. We have to build it ourselves, brick by brick. But guess what? If you follow the steps I'm about to share, you'll be on a proven path toward financial freedom way before you're 30. I'm talking about clear, actionable steps you can take starting today. Let's dive in, shall we? Step 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. First, let's talk about the mindset. I know this might sound cliche, but if you don't think like a millionaire, you're not going to become one. The biggest hurdle most people face isn't their bank balance, it's their mindset. Are you constantly telling yourself that money is scarce or hard to make? That's a limiting belief. Instead, ask yourself, how can I add value? Successful people focus on solutions, not limitations. Here's a question. What's one limiting belief about money that you could let go of today? Drop it in the comments. Step 2. Set specific, actionable financial goals. Next, it's time to get specific. Set financial goals that are clear and realistic. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Define what rich means to you. For example, I want to save $50,000 by the end of this year. Or, I want to start a side hustle that earns $1,000 a month. These kinds of specific targets give you direction and keep you motivated. And when you have a goal, break it down into actionable steps. Do you have a financial goal right now? Comment below with your biggest one. Step 3. Live below your means. The power of saving and budgeting. Here's something most people overlook. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing. You want to save and invest a big chunk of your income, especially in the early stages. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Those impulse buys? They're holding you back. I know it's tempting to splurge, especially with social media making it look like everyone else is living large. But let me ask you, would you rather look rich or actually be rich? Living below your means is one of the most powerful habits that will get you closer to that million-dollar goal. Step 4. Invest early and consistently. Now let's get into one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available to you, investing. Start as early as you can. Even if you're only able to invest a small amount, let compound interest work its magic. Think of it like planting a tree. It starts small but grows steadily over time. Start by learning the basics of stock markets, index funds, and real estate. The key here is consistency. Even if it's just $100 a month, keep investing. Trust me, you'll be blown away by the returns years down the line. Comment if you're already investing, and if not, what's holding you back? Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Now, here's the game changer. Multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky and limiting. Wealthy people always have income flowing in from various sources. Think about it. What skills do you have that could bring in extra income? Freelancing, teaching online, or even starting a small business on the side. If you're not sure where to start small. Maybe it's just an extra $500 a month from a part-time gig or a side hustle. That extra income, if saved and invested, can fast-track your path to $1 million. If you're finding this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to build wealth early. And remember, your engagement helps us bring more financial content to help you reach your goals. Step 6. Focus on high-income skills. If you want to speed up your journey, focus on building high-income skills. These are skills that allow you to command higher pay. Skills like digital marketing, coding, sales, and copywriting. These skills are in demand, and they can help you earn way more than minimum wage. Do a quick self-assessment. Are you investing in learning a skill that can increase your income over time? Imagine making $100 an hour instead of $15 an hour. That's what high-income skills do. What's one skill you'd like to master? Share it in the comments. Step 7. Network and surround yourself with like-minded people. Here's something we don't talk about enough. Networking. Who you spend time with influences your mindset, habits, and ultimately your income. Surround yourself with people who have a similar drive, people who are also working towards financial freedom. Join groups, attend seminars, connect with mentors who can guide you. Trust me, the right network can open doors and provide opportunities you didn't even know existed. Ever heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? It's true. Think about who's in your circle. Are they helping you grow? Step 8. Keep learning and adapting. The world of finance and business is constantly changing. Keep educating yourself, whether it's through books, courses, or even YouTube channels like this one. The more you learn, the more you can earn and protect what you've built. Remember, your wealth-building journey is a marathon, not a sprint. And here's a little teaser. Toward the end, I'm going to share the most powerful financial quote that could shift your perspective entirely, so stay tuned. Final step, stay disciplined and consistent. Last but not least, discipline and consistency are key. Building wealth isn't easy, and it doesn't happen overnight. It requires persistence, especially when you face setbacks. You might feel like giving up, or you might see your friends spending lavishly while you're saving and investing. But remember, this is temporary. The reward is financial freedom. Now here's the quote I promised you. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. Just take that first step and stay consistent. Wealth isn't just about the money. It's about having options, freedom, and control over your life. Becoming a millionaire by the 25th of May seemed like a massive goal, but it's possible. With the right mindset, habits, and determination, you can build a life that's free from financial worry. So what's your next step? Share it with us in the comments, and let's build this community together. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little financial motivation. Let's make financial freedom our reality. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take that first step, and let's grow together.